Picture this. You're scrolling through your phone or computer screen, and you see it again. A video of someone saying they quit their job to trade stocks. Work from anywhere, and never answer to a boss again. That story is as old as the internet, but still hits a nerve. It makes you feel like you're stuck while everyone else found the answer to your problem. But that is not so, because even after you've become profitable at day trading, quitting your job doesn't auto-magically make life easier. In fact, it usually makes it harder. Because now you're trading under the pressure of having to meet your financial commitments. Pressure that can lead you to chase, panic, and break all the rules. In this video, we're going to break down how that fantasy can tempt beginners into making bad decisions, and what the chart whisper way looks like instead. Because here's the honest part. Trading can be a real source of income. But that dream of quitting your day job tomorrow is usually the fastest path to panic. Big mistakes and total burnout. The first big mistake is in thinking quitting your job for trading will remove stress. But instead, it can add more. When trading becomes your only source of income, every trade feels like it has to work. If you see the price pulls back, your heart sinks. When you see it go red, you panic. You stop thinking clearly because your bills are on the line. The chart whisperer fix is simple. Don't let trading be your lifeline. Keep your job while you're still learning so you can trade calmly. If you're desperate and absolutely need for a trade to work in order to pay your bills, you're already bringing the wrong energy into the market. Another common trap shows up fast, thinking that if you just take bigger trades, you can finally make trading work. After a few small wins, it's easy to believe you need more size to grow faster. But with a small account, bigger size makes your emotions louder and your rules easier to break. And one bad trade can wipe out weeks of progress. The chart whisperer fix is to manage risk before the trade starts. Enter with only half of your planned position and never tie up more than 75% of your total portfolio. That way, you always have cash available. And you can stay calm and average down to near fair value if a good trade moves against you, or to take a better setup without being forced to sell under pressure. In short, we keep risk controlled and trade with flexibility, not hope, because survival comes first. Another surprise is how heavy full-time trading can feel. It's not always freedom in the way that social media gurus make it seem. It takes constant focus, review, and emotional control, and a lot of people burn out fast. The chart whisperer fix is balance. Build trading as a skill over time, not as your only source of stability. When the pressure is lower, your decision-making habits get better. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistently learning. The deepest problem is tying your self-worth to your profits and losses. A good day can make you feel like you're invincible. A bad day feels like you're the world's biggest loser. That swing can lead to bad decisions such as revenge trading and tactics motivated by fear. The chart whisperer fix is to focus on process instead of results. Think of every trade as information, not a test of your skill. Over time, the results will take care of themselves. Success is measured by how well you develop your plan, not by what happened on one single trade. The bottom line is, quitting your job too early is not a shortcut to trading freedom. It is usually the fastest way to add pressure, fear, and bad decisions to your trading. Stability gives you the space to think. Space lets you follow the rules. And the rules are what keep you in the game long enough to build real skill. The goal isn't to escape your job as fast as possible. The goal is to become a calm, disciplined trader who can execute without panic. Keep your income. Trade small. Size up slowly. Consistency will earn you the right to scale. That's how the fairy tale fades and real progress begins. If this helped clear the noise and gave you a more realistic path, hit the like button so more beginners can see it. And subscribe to Chart Whisperer for more simple, pressure-free trading lessons built around patience, structure, and risk control. Trade calm. Trade smart. We'll build this the right way together.